This is the brief on the constitutional development of India via the Charter Acts of 1833 and 1853. We're looking at how the East India Company went from a basic trading business to a full blown centralized government, setting the stage for total British Crown control. First, let's talk about the Charter Act of 1833 and its massive push for centralization. The company totally lost its commercial monopoly, including that lucrative tea trade, and became strictly an administrative body. They even upgraded the Governor General of Bengal to the Governor General of India, starting with Lord William Bentinck. This wasn't just a fancy rebrand, it actually stripped local governors of their lawmaking powers to unify the country under one rule. Second, we see some huge legal and social shifts happening. Lord Macaulay was brought in as a law member to start codifying laws like the Penal Code. Now, on paper, they abolished slavery and removed religious barriers for holding office, but they also let Europeans buy up land, which unfortunately paved the way for those highly exploitative plantation systems. Finally, the Charter Act of 1853 really kicked off the countdown to Crown rule. Unlike previous 20-year renewals, this one extended company rule indefinitely, basically signaling Parliament could take over at any second. It planted the roots of a parliamentary system by splitting executive and legislative duties, and crucially, replaced shady job patronage with fair, competitive civil service exams. So these acts basically stripped the company of its commercial identity and centralized its power, creating the exact framework the crown needed for its eventual takeover. It's a pretty wild reminder of how an unchecked corporate monopoly can literally morph right into a government.